I'm Dr. H.K. Tyagi, MSc Botany, PhD in Botany, MCA, and remained principal of a college. It is the first is Blackman reaction, or you can say that it is a photophosphorylation. In this, first of all, pigment system P700 takes place, then plastoquinone takes place, then cytochrome B6, then cytochrome F, then plastocyanin, then plastoquinone P700. This process is called cyclic photophosphorylation, and in this cycle NAD is changed into NADP and water is reduced into hydrogen and oxygen. Then pigment system second P700 takes place. Then 2 electron takes place. Then in the presence of then plastocyanin, then ferredoxin, then NAD, then ADP takes place into NADH. It is called non-cyclic photophosphorylation, or the digestive system of the man. In mouth there are 2 lips and a buccal cavity, and in this buccal cavity there are found salivary glands, sublingual gland, parotid gland. Next part is pharynx. The next part, a long tube-like structure is formed. It is called esophagus. Then in the presence of esophagus, then it is found liver structure, and then stomach. Then stomach, after the stomach, there is found pancreas, then alimentary canal. The alimentary canal contains 2 parts, ascending part and descending part, and in the last part, rectum is formed. Upper jaw, lower jaw, and sublingual and parotid glands are formed in mouth cavity. And then there is dentition, upper lip and lower lip, and you can see the molar, premolar, teeth and socket of jaw, and it is dentition. If we saw teeth, we say a structure of the outer part is called enamel, and then under part is called dentine. There is a pulp cavity. In the pulp cavity, blood capillaries are found, and it is a structure of teeth. It is इसका ये होगा डायग्राम, ये हो गया. Then it is a structure of gastric gland. The gastric gland can parietal cells, mucosa cells, lamina propria, upper jaw, lower jaw, and the lowest part of the stomach is called fundus. The fundus, the lower part of gastric body, the stomach is formed with pyloric constriction, then esophagus, then pyloric constriction. If you see the internal structure of gland, we see that there is a parietal cells, zooxanthellae cells, etc. Now we see the structure of you can see in this diagram that there are functional, there are visceral peritoneum, then longitudinal muscle, then circular muscle, then submucosa, mucosa, and it is a structure, and in between there is lumen cavity. Structure of liver. Liver is the largest gland of the body, and you can see in this falciform ligament, then filiform filament, then left lobe, right lobe, and in the lower side that is caudate lobe, lobe of liver, filiform papilla, and etc. कितना हो गया? Function of tongue. First of all, it helps in digestion, then speak in English, speak in speech, then it clears body, and it helps in respiration of body. Then dentition in the teeth, different types of teeth they are available. located in bony sanskid promoter arts set. Diphyodont होते हैं. Diphyodont takes place and they may be polyphyodont and monophyodont. And in the upper jaw, all types of teeth. First, lumen dentition. Second, some maxillary teeth. 1 2 1 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, बस. The dental formula is PM 0.0, M 0.0 and M 3/3, and then molar 3/3 is equal to 20. Enamel teeth, pulp cavity, salivary glands are of submaxillary glands, and then pharynx root of tongue of submaxillary, pulp cavity, submaxillary, esophagus, and then structure of stomach. All are clear.